Hi and welcome to this video. I'm so happy you decided to learn EFT, and we're going to start today by learning where to tap, because EFT uses basically acupuncture or acupressure points to help you, that's what I was saying at the beginning of the other video, balance your body's energy system. And it doesn't matter exactly how it works, you just need to learn it, and then you will see the benefits from it. So it will take you a few minutes for you to get used to it, so we'll go together, we'll go over the points several times. I will cut it, so we're just going to go, because there are points on the hand and the wrist, so we're not going to see these points in this video. We're only going to see all the other points. Okay, so I'm just going to start with the eyebrow point. Here we go. So to tap, first of all, to tap on the points, what you do is you take 2 fingers minimum. I mean, you could start with 1, but it's easier. Why 2 fingers? Because if you use 2 fingers, you can't miss the point, or you have less chance to miss the point. So basically, we use 2 fingers. Sometimes people wonder where, let's say here is the eyebrow points. It's the beginning at of the eyebrow and the inside part here. Okay, this is the eyebrow point. Okay, I tap on it. But some people wonder, oh, should I tap on the left side, the right side, both sides? Well, simple. You can do right, left, or both. Some people think that tapping on both sides gives an extra something to it. I don't feel that. I sometimes tap here like this, or I'm going to tap on the other side, and sometimes, I don't know why, I go like this. But most of the times, it's just only one side. It really doesn't matter. What I suggest you do is that you try everything and see what you like best, and then you can do that. Okay, so let's get started with the eyebrow point. Okay, so the eyebrow point, you see, there's the beginning of the eyebrow here. You just tap on it, you use 2 fingers, and you tap about 7 times. We can tap more, but the idea is to remember that number. Okay, we try to tap around 7 times. I've tapped much more because I'm trying to show you the point. Okay, now second point. Put your finger just outside the eye, as if you were trying to touch the inside of the eye, and move a little bit further back. So you should be like feeling like a plateau, and you're on top of your bone here. That's wonderful if you are. If you're not, don't go here, here, here. Just right on the top of the bone, and use 2 fingers again. And we're tapping on the side of the eye. That's the side of the eye. The points are very easy to remember because they're named, after the places in your face or body. So it's pretty simple. And then you have what? Under the eye. Under the eye. You look straight. You try to be in the middle of your eye, basically. And you, on top of the bone also, you feel some sort, you feel some sort of, beginning of the bone. You're on top of it. Just in the middle of the eye with 2 fingers. Okay, tap along with me. It's not a video. This video is not to be just watched. I need you to actively tap with me because it will help you remember the points. And we're going to go over them several times until you remember them. And then they will be yours for life. So do it, okay? Under the eyes, under the eye. And then we're going to go under the nose. So, okay, under the nose, you can go like this. Why? Because it's super simple. You can't miss the point. Okay? Because you're covering all the space between your lip and your nose. I like to go about the middle between them, and I like to go like this. Yeah? It gives me a really nice look. And then I tap 7 times, but you can go like this, okay? Then the chin. The chin is just it's hard for me to describe it. It's not here. It's not at the bottom. It's just the fleshiest part of your chin, if that means something to you. And if not, very simple. We use 2 fingers. We go like this. Okay? You can't go wrong. It's going to be super easy. Okay? So the chin point can't go wrong. Very easy. Everything, like under the nose, very easy. Okay? This point here is a little bit more, a little bit trickier to find. Okay, so you find, it's called the collarbone, but it is not the collarbone point exactly. So we're going to look for it together. Okay, you have a U shape here. Find the top of the U on one side. I have a mic here, so I'm just going to go that way. And what you can do is you can go down about 3-4 inches, like you see me doing. I know centimeters more than inches, so I may be incorrect, but I try to check before doing this video. And then you go out, okay, about 3-4 inches tall, and you start tapping. Okay, that's one way to find it. And when you're tapping here, you should start sensing something. So sometimes I have to admit, and it's because I'm a very intuitive person, and I guess I'm very sensitive to acupuncture points. I can sense where they are. And if you're blessed with that capacity, or if you can sense that it's probably something you can do, go for it. You know, you tap around and you're going to find it. Okay? You're going to find it. It's right here. Another way to find it is going to be you follow the bone like this, and you go down about 3-4 inches. Okay, so you follow the bone, go down 3-4 inches. Okay, so you either go down first and then move, or you just follow the bone 3-4 inches, and then you go down about 4 inches. All right, I hope you understand this point. Why? Because there are so many videos with this one that are, it's just not the right point. People tap here or here. No, you have to find, it's not on the bone. I have to make that very clear. The collarbone point is below the bone. So you don't want to be tapping on the bone, okay? So try it several times, see how it feels, okay? Trying to show you, okay, I'll show you the side. I hope it helps. Okay, I know this one is a bit tricky. And then we have the underarm. For us women, we just follow the bra strap and we start tapping, and it will look very cool. I feel like, hey, I feel really nice right now. Anyway, I'm just so you can tap on one side, you can tap on both sides, whatever you prefer. For men, it's basically the same thing. You know, you follow the nipple and you just go under the arm, and there you go. You find the point. If sometimes there's a point that we don't really use anymore because as practitioners, it's not very convenient or appropriate to tap there. But I'm just going to show it to you just so that you know about it. It's pretty much under here. So for a man, it's easier to access. For a woman, you know, you can tap there. But I don't use it as much. You know, I don't really use it very much. But so that you know, there's a point there. Okay. Did I forget anything? Yes, I did. Top of the head. Top of the head is, to me, a wonderful point. Okay, it's not so far from the soft bone, but we're not gonna think about that. You take both hands, put them like this, and you just go at the top of the head, and you go everywhere, and you mess your hair, and you just love it, right? So mess your hair, then you can, you know, fix them later. That's much better. Anyway, so did I forget anything? I don't think I did. So now we're gonna start from the eyebrow point. All right, okay. So I hope you're tapping with me. 2 fingers around 7 times. Let's go. Eyebrow point, side of the eye, under the eye, under the nose, chin point, collarbone, under the arm. I'm going to skip that one. And top of the head. Oh yes, top of the head. Okay, let's go over it one more time because I really want you to remember them forever. But you're going to have to practice to remember them forever, but so that you know them well. Okay, one last time. Eyebrow point. Tap with me, otherwise you will not remember. Eyebrow point. Side of the eye. Under the eye. Under the nose. Chin point. Collarbone point. Under the arm. And we go top of the head. Okay? So these are the points that you need to remember for that part. And then we're going to go, in the next video, we're going to do the hand. And there are lots of points in the hand that are really exciting and fun as well. But that's going to be it. And thank you for deciding to start learning EFT. I'm really happy that you're watching this. And see you in the next video.